Dear students, in this session we start with fourth roots of unity. Let x be the fourth roots of unity, that is x equal to 1 power 1 by 4. Raising power 4 on both sides, x power 4 equal to 1, x power 4 minus 1 equals 0, x square whole square minus 1 equals 0, a square minus b square, x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square plus 1 equals 0, x square minus 1 equals 0. X square equal to minus 1, x square equal to plus 1, x equal to plus or minus I, x equal to plus or minus 1. Fourth roots of unity are 1, I minus 1 minus I. For nth roots of unity, omega equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. For fourth roots of unity, omega equal to cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4 equal to cos pi by 2 I sin pi by 2. That is equal to I. Omega squared, I squared minus 1, omega cubed, I cubed, minus I. For omega power 4, you can have 1. So here also plus or minus 1 plus or minus I. So 1 takes cos 0 plus I sin 0. I, that is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus I, cos minus pi by 2 plus or cos so omega squared cos pi plus I sin pi omega cubed cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 by 2 equal to 1 cos 0 plus I sin 0 or cos 2 pi, this is also equal to cos 0. Lies on the unit circle. One I minus a minus 1. This is omega square omega cube. It forms a square. So all omegas are different. Fourth roots of unity. Form a square. On the unit circle. 1 plus omega square plus omega cube equal to 0, as well omega power 4 equal to 1. If 1 omega square omega power n minus 1 or nth roots of unity find 9 minus omega square etc. 9 minus omega per n minus 1. So we know x per n minus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x minus omega square etc. x minus omega per, if 1 omega square nth roots of unity, this can be written as x per n minus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x minus omega square up to x minus omega per n minus 1. I have given this result already. Now put x equal to 9. So 9 power n minus 1 equal to 9 minus 1, 9 minus omega squared up to 9 minus omega power n minus 1. So 9 minus omega squared up to 9 minus omega power n minus 1 equal to 9 power n minus 1. 9 minus 8, bring to denominator. That's the answer. Summation k equal to 1 to 10 sin 2k by 11 minus I cos 2k pi by 11 equal to, the options are 1 minus 1 I minus I. taking minus I in common, sum of k equal to 1 to 10 cos 2k by 11 plus I sin plus sign to minus I square, that is 1. You will get this answer. If you multiply, you will get this. Then minus I k equal to 0 to instead of 1 to 10. If you add k equal to 0, if you apply k equal to 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0, that you will get the answer 1. If I am including 1 and excluding 1, cos 2k pi by 11 I sin 2k by 11 minus 1. This is 11th roots of unity from 0 to 10. That is 2 pi by n means nth roots of unity. 2 pi by 11 means 11th roots of unity. That is sum of 11th roots of unity equal to 0 minus 1. Since sum of so minus I into minus 1 plus I. If you expand 1 omega square up to omega power 10, that is sum of 11th roots of unity. So we have seen already or earlier omega equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n for nth roots of unity. We compare this. To k, you have to apply for nth roots of unity. We will have 2k pi by n plus I sin. If you apply k 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, you will apply nth roots of unity. Instead of n here we have 11. You will apply 11th roots of unity. So sum of 11th roots of unity equals 0. That's answer I. K equal to R, K equal to 1 to R, sin two pi k by R plus 1 plus or minus I cos 2 pi k by R plus 1 minus R plus I. You can take as a general result. Starting from 1 to R, if upper limit is R, here should be R plus 1. If you have plus sign, answer end with minus I. If you have minus sign, answer with plus I. You can remember this as a result. A equal to cos 2 pi by 7 I sin 2 pi by 7 then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha equal to a plus a square plus a power 4 and beta equal to a cubed plus a power 5 plus a power 6 is x squared minus x plus 2 equals 0. X squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. Option C, x squared minus x plus 2 equals 0. Option D, x squared plus x plus 2 equal to 0. A power 7 first to find cos 2 pi by 7 plus I sin 2 pi by 7 whole power 7. A is given as cos 2 by 7 plus I sin 2 by 7 raising power 7 on both sides. Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. 1 plus I into 0, that is this 0, this 1, 1. A power 7 equal to 1 means 1 a squared, a cubed up to a power 6 or seventh roots of unity. For cube roots, omega cube equal to 1. For nth roots, omega power n equal to 1. Here a power 7 equal to 1. That means seventh roots of unity. So remember 1 a square up to a power 6 are seventh roots of unity. Alpha and beta are given. First you find alpha plus beta. Alpha is a plus a square plus a power 4. Beta a cube plus a power 5 plus a power 6. A plus a square plus a cube plus a power 4 plus a power 5 plus a power 6. Even you can find this is equal to minus 1 or a into 1 minus a power 6 1 plus a squared up to a power 6 equal to 0. A plus a squared up to a power 6 equal to minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. Next we find alpha into beta. A plus a square plus a power 4 into a cubed plus a power 5 plus a power 6. Multiply a into a cube a power 4 a power 5 a power 6 a power 7 a square into a cube a power 5 a power 7 a power 8 a power 7 a power 9 a power 10. We know a power 7 equal to 1. So a power 8 equal to a power 9 equal to a square. So a power 4 plus a power 6 plus 1 a power 5 plus 1 plus a plus 1 a squared a cubed. 3 plus a plus a squared plus a cubed plus a power 4 plus a power 5 plus a power 6. Three minus 1, that is 2. So alpha beta equal to alpha plus beta equal to minus 1. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square minus of minus 1x plus 2 equal 0. X square plus x plus 2 equal 0. So option D is correct. If z equal to x plus iy, z power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib, then x by a minus y will be equal to k into a square minus b square. Where k is equal to one, two, three, four. Z equal to a minus ib the whole cube, raising power 3 on both sides. Here we have x plus iy, a cube minus 3 a squared ib, 3a I squared b squared minus I cube b cube. Expanding a minus the whole cube formula. A cube I into 3 a square b minus 3ab squared plus ib cube. A cube equal to real and imaginary parts. X equal to a cube minus 3a b squared. Y equal to b cube minus 3a square b. Here minus 3a square b, here b cube. X by a, that is a squared minus 3b squared. Y by b, b squared minus 3a squared. Divided by a x. Here we are. Okay. X by a minus y by b. If we subtract this, 4a squared minus 4b squared, 4 into a square minus b squared, x by a minus y by b equal to k into, comparing these two, k equal to 4. But the same sum can be asked like this. If z equal to x plus iy, z power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib, x by a plus y by b equal to k into a square plus b square. K equals what value? The same expansion, instead of subtracting, if we add, what will happen? X by plus y by b. Minus 2a square minus 2b square, minus 2 into a square plus b square. We will get k equal to minus 2. The same sum can be asked like this. Instead of subtracting, if we add, you will get minus 2 into a square plus b square. If z equal to x minus iy, z power 1 by 3 equal to p plus I cube, x by p plus y by q divided by p square plus q square is equal to option A -2, option B -1, option C 2, option D 1. Z equal to P plus IQ the whole cube. That is X minus IY P cubed 3P squared I cube 3P I squared Q squared I cubed P cubed. P cubed I into 3 P squared cube minus 3P Q squared minus I cube. Comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides, X equal to P cubed minus 3P Q squared minus Y equal to 3P squared cube minus Q cube. X by P equal to P squared minus 3Q squared Y equal to Q cube minus 3P squared cube. Here minus we are having multiple minus on both sides. Y equal to Q cube minus 3P minus P squared cube, which means Y by Q equal to Q squared minus P squared. We need X by P plus Y by Q. Three P square cube. 3P square. X by V plus Y by Q will get minus 2P square minus 2Q square minus 2 into P square plus Q square. So X by P plus Y by Q divided by P square plus Q square equal to minus 2. Answer option A. Just slightly change of previous sum. If z equal to x minus iy, z power 1 by 3 equal to p plus iq, then x by p minus y by q p squared minus q squared. you can find four. The answer is 4. X by p minus y by q by p square minus q square equal to 4. The same sum, instead of adding, you do subtraction, you will get this answer. K equal to 33 to 65. Sin 2k by 8. I cos 2k by 8 equal to option A 1 plus I, option B 1 minus I, option C 1 plus I by root 2, option D 1 minus I by root 2. So this is equal to K equal to 33 to 65 sin K pi by 4 I cos K pi by 4. Sum of 33 to 65 sin K pi by 4 minus I into sum of K equal to 33 to 65 cos K by 4. So in the same sense we discussed another sum, but starting from 1 to here R plus 1. Here not the case here. So applying summation to both terms separately. Sin 33 pi by 4 plus sin 34 pi by 4 plus etc. plus sin 65 pi by 4 minus I into cos 33 pi by 4 plus cos 34 pi by 4 plus etc. cos 65 pi by 4. So you have to find value of this one and this one. We have one result, sin alpha plus beta alpha plus 2 beta sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta equal to sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 sin alpha plus n minus 1 into beta by 2. You take sin 33 pi by 4, 34 pi by 4 plus etc. plus 65 pi by 4 equal to sin n beta by 2. Beta takes value pi by 4. Number of terms 33. N equal to 33. So sin n beta by 2. N means 33 times. 33 to 65. There will be 33 times. Beta, the increment. Alpha plus beta. 33 to 34. So pi by 4 is the beta by 2. N 33 beta pi by 4 beta by 2 pi by 8. This is sin n beta by 2 33 pi by 8 by sin pi by 8 alpha 33 pi by 4 n minus 1, that is 33 minus 1 32 beta by 2, that is pi by 8. So we have applied this formula. Pi by 8 pi by 8 16 pi by 8 360 33 pi by 8 32 pi by 8, that is 720. So the numerator is just sin pi by 8 by sin pi by 8. Taking LCM, sin 66 pi plus 32 pi by 8. 33 pi by 8 equal to 32 pi plus 32 pi by 8 plus pi by 8. 4 pi plus pi by 8. So leaving out 4 pi, so 2 rounds, 4 pi means 360 plus 360, just it's a pi by 8. This will be cancelled. Sin 96 pi by 8. 98 pi by 8. Sin 49 pi by 4. Sin 48 pi plus pi by 4. Sine, if you divide, (40 by 4), 12 pi plus pi by 4. So even multiple of pi. 2 pi means 1 round, 12 pi, 6 rounds. That is sine pi by 4. The same sense, cos also will be the same answer, cos pi by 4. K equal to 33 to 65 sine 2k by 8 2k by 8. Equal to, applying limit summation up to for this time, sine by 4 minus, for this you can obtain cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. One minus I by root 2. Answer option D. If the cube roots of unity of 1 omega squared then roots of the equation x minus whole cube plus 8 equals 0 or minus 1 1 plus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega squared. Option B, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Option C, minus 1 1 minus 2 omega 1 minus 2 omega squared. None of this. X minus whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. X minus whole cube equal to, bring this side, minus 8 that is 8 into minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 8 whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. 2 cubed power 1 by 3. This is nothing but cube roots of minus 1. I have told the results. Cube roots of 1 omega squared. Cube roots of minus 1 means minus 1 minus omega squared. Here we have 2 into minus 1 minus omega squared minus 2 omega squared. Cube roots of minus 1 are minus 1 minus omega squared. The left hand side we have minus 1, x minus 1. So x equal to 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega squared. So x equal to minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega squared. Option C is correct. If Z1, Z2, Z3 are complex numbers, such that modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2 equal to modulus of Z3 equal to 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3 whole modulus equal to 1. The modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. Option B less than 1. Option C greater than 3. Option D equal to 3. So modulus Z1 equal to 1, which means modulus Z1 square equal to 1. It means Z1 bar equal to 1. Which means Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1. Similarly, modulus Z2 equal to 1 implies Z2 bar equal to 1 by Z2. Modulus Z3 equal to 1 means Z3 bar equal to 1 by Z3. 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by z3 equal to 1. That is a given statement. In place of 1 by z1 you can write z1 bar. For this you can write z2 bar. For this you can write z3 bar equal to 1. Modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 whole bar equal to 1. Since modulus z bar equal to modulus z, so answer is option A. Modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to 1. If z square plus z plus 1 equals 0, where z is a complex number, then the value of z plus 1 by z whole square, z square plus 1 by z square the whole square plus z cube plus 1 by z cube the whole square plus etc. z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 the whole square is equal to, or the value of is option A 18, option B 54, option C 6, option D 12. So you solve z equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus b square 1 minus 4ac a1 c1 by 2. Just we factorize using quadratic formula 1 plus or minus root 3 into I by 2. So z equal to omega or omega square. Z plus 1 by z, omega plus 1 by omega, omega plus 1 by omega means omega squared, 1 by omega means omega squared by omega cube. This is 1, that is omega squared. Like that 1 by omega squared means omega by multiply and divided by omega. This is equal to 1. So 1 by omega equal to omega squared, 1 by omega squared equal to omega. So 1 by omega equal to omega square, that is equal to minus 1. Z square plus 1 by z square, omega square 1 by omega square, just in this 1 by omega square equal to omega, that is omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. We have given the result already. Z cube plus 1 by z cube, omega cube plus 1 by omega cube, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So z plus 1 by z, the whole square plus z square plus 1 by z square whole square, z cube plus 1 by z cube whole square equal to minus a whole square plus minus a whole square plus 2 square. 1 plus 4, that is 6. So z plus 1 by z whole square plus z square plus 1 by z square the whole square z cube plus 1 by z cube the whole square up to z power 4 plus 1 by z power 6 the whole square equal to 6 plus 6, that is 12. Sum of these three terms equal to 12. Again z power 4 become omega. So remaining three terms equal to 6. So 6 plus 6, 12 is the answer. So remaining sums we will see next class. Thank you.